Beautiful people, it's me again, Leah Williams from Danlia TV. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today is February 28, 2021 and it's the last Sunday of the month. Kararating ko lang po galing ng church and it's lunchtime. Magluto tayo ng very easy, simple yet healthy recipe na available lahat sa pantry nyo na magugustuhan ng inyong pamilya. And by the way, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, Danlia TV, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aming mga bagong uploads. So, well, our YouTube channel is all about our lifestyle, adventure, travel, food, and everything, I think. So, yeah. Please do subscribe and watch this video. Sana magustuhan nyo po. Okay guys, let's get started! So guys, we need some garlic. Lahat ba natin? Guys, anong niluluto nyo for lunch? Comment down below para matry ko din next time. Garlic. Half lang ng onion. Onions, half lang or less pa. Chop natin siya ng maliliit. Onions. Here's some tuna. Tanggalin natin yung subaw. Corn. There you go. And we're ready. And some spinach. Ang ating main ingredients, spinach. Okay, napaka-healthy spinach. There you go guys, lutuin na natin siya and I am using my new wok, cast iron wok. I got this from Canadian Tire. Ano nga bang brand nito? Teka lang. Ang brand niya ay Paderno. That's Canadian brand. So yeah, I am very happy. Balik twice or thrice ko na siya nagamit for may fried rice, kahit beef with mushroom. So nice. I like it. I am in love with it. Okay, let's put some olive oil. Okay. And then, mabilis lang to kasi simple lang naman siya, hindi siya komplikadong complicated recipe. Okay, let's put our garlic. Lagay din natin yung ating onions. Lagay na natin yung tuna. ating corn. Pepper. I got this from Canadian Tire as well. Battery operated pepper grounder and salt. For $6. Nakasale sila. $6 each. $20 sila before. Seasoning salt. Maglagay tayo ng konti. Ito, nakita ko sa YouTube nakalimutan ko na yung name niya. And, sabi ko, try ko nga kasi gusto kong kumain ng mas maraming spinach nowadays. So, and I have lots of spinach in the fridge. And so, I think it's a little bit ready. Kaya, natuwa ako. Nakita ko yung recipe niya. Ito, ayan natin spinach. The more the merrier. That's it. Diba? Napaka-colorful niya. Talagyan ko lang sa neto. Pero, hindi na siguro yung aanghan. I think it's ready. Kasi yung tuna naman, luto na yan siya. And it's ready, guys. And there you go, guys. Our tuna with spinach. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, and share. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, Danlia TV. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga bagong uploads. Thank you, guys. And enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!